my intelligence. Well, excuse me, I'll get another car of my own.
Bye, Tahni.
Goodbye.
Do it.
See ya.
Don't take it.
I'm filming you. I just want to show you tomorrow or in a few days what you're like.
I've got lots of entertaining things to say then.
Yeah, you do.
Ask me on a subject.
Well,
The war in Iraq.
Oh, it's all Osama. He did it all. Towels on heads. And religion is to blame. Religion is to blame.
you're losing your bra there, Tahni. Do you want to pick that up?
You want to pick yourself up a bit?
You don't want the...
Miles, bruh.
Miles...
Ask me on another subject. I'll give you some smart.
Miles, I just...
Outside.
Miles...
Apartheid?
Yes.
So that's South Africa.
Yeah.
That's South Africa.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, South Africa. And ask me on another subject.
You didn't give your opinion on apartheid.
Yeah,
so.
bad.
What
Okay.
about ASIO?
ASIO, stop spying on me, you assholes. Get out of my bedroom. Who asked you? I voted for Julia Gillard.
What about
Leave me alone.
What about Tony Abbott?
Tony... Oh, fucking hate... I hate Tony Abbott.
Why do you hate Tony Abbott?
Because he believes in 50s. Go back to the 50s.
You know you're 50 in 25 years?
Do you know...
You're halfway to 50. Do you
Hey,
know that?
excuse me, erase that from the from the subject.
Erase what?
50 years from the... I am done.
Bye, Tahni.
Goodbye.
Love you.
Love you.